everyone. I hope all of you had a good week. Hi, everyone. Just looking at all of you. How's everyone today? I'm fine. Remember, if you don't concentrate, we have time out going on everywhere. So, all of you will be time out if you don't concentrate. So, try concentrating. Hi, Ashmi. And you all will be time out. We'll be doing maths today and try to log in. Every week we have new challenges for you all. Vivek, that's really good. You have that. So we have a lot of challenges coming. Try watching the challenges. You have a non-verbal challenge coming tomorrow. Try doing that and let me know how many marks do you guys get. And you have one challenge on Thursday. That's for your verbal challenge too. And you have your creative writing. That's on a Wednesday this week. So we'll be doing a lot of things this week. So we'll be doing lot of things this week, so be tuned in at 12 every day on the channel of YouTube to have lot of excitements for you all. I can see all of you. How can I join your Zoom? There's nothing in Zoom. You'll be here. Don't worry about the dislike. I know who's doing that. And that person should be really aware. He came in my live also. That was my mistake. I called you on the live, so I won't be able to call you guys on live again if you keep disliking the videos. So today we'll be doing maths today. Don't worry, Ishita would be looking here. And the reason why we didn't came last week was Ishita got operated, but she's fine now. She got her leg. She had a small procedure of her leg, her toe basically, but she's fine now and she's recovering. That's really nice. So this is that. But now operation, yeah, she got operation, but she's fine. So that was a reason I was unable to come last week. But now she's fine now. And maybe one day when she starts to walk a little bit, she'll be able to say hi to you all. But she said hi to all of you and she's watching all of you from the backstage, what do you guys call? How did it happen? It's nothing happened. So we will be doing maths now and we'll be doing really good. I hope she gets well soon. Yeah, she'll be fine. Don't worry. She's doing really well now. Hope she's okay. Yeah, she'll be fine. Don't worry. So let's start doing maths now. So let's do maths. I'll start sharing my screen for you all. What's the topic? Let's see what the topic is. It's little bit of fractions and ratio both mixed together. So let's do it. Let's see if I can share my screen. Done. Hi, Preet. If you guys don't want to see me, I can hide myself. We'll do jumble sentences next week. You like ratio? Let me hide myself first so all of you can do it. I'll be I'll zoom in a little bit for you all so you can see it. Try doing the first one now. It's ratio. It says that write down the ratio of 350 centimeters to 25 centimeters. Give your answer in the simplest form. Don't hide. It's fine, guys. Let's do this, please. The first one is really easy. And I need the answer for it. You just need to simplify that and your answer is 14. Aiden has given me the right answer. That's good. Rashik has given me the right answer. All of you have given the right answer. That's really nice. So we just need to, the ones who don't know, I'm telling for them, in this one, we are just simplifying 350 by 25 and I need to simplify that little more and then my answer is 14 by 1. That's my answer. So let's do the next one. It tells you write down the ratio 220 kg to 5 kg. Give your answer to the simplest form. And that also is an easy one. You just need to simplify that by 5 and then you will get your answer by Ashmi. Try doing it again. Aiden got it right. 44 by 1. Now Ashmi got it right. Rishik got it right. Anish got it right. All of you got it right. So we are just going to simplify them. And when you simplify them, you just need to write it 220 5 and you divide it by 5 to make it more and then you will get your answer 44 by 1. That's the way you need to simplify that. And we did it by 5. I'll wait for a second for the ones who are doing, then we'll move on to number 3 now. Good. So let's move on to the next one. I love these coins. Try doing number 3 now. These are all about your coins. Alex has the following coins. You need to write down the ratio of the value of Alex 20p coins. Sorry, in the value of Alex 50p coins. How would you do this? Let's see this one now. No. Remember, you need to see the value of Alex 20p coin to the value of Alex 50p coin. And then you have to find it out. All of you are giving the answer wrong for this one. They are saying that Alex has the following coins. Write down the ratio or the value of Alex 20p coins to the value of Alex 50p coins. Somebody got the right answer. You need to simplify a little more. Aiden, you are really clever. Well done. You got it absolutely right. Panish, uh, just try to simplify it a little more. Then you will get your answer. So basically, what are you guys doing? The value of his coins, you know that he has, these are his coins, these two. So that is 40p. And the next one is, these are the other person's coins, 50, 50, 100 and 150. So you need to simplify only these two. And when you do it, you get 4 by 15. It was so easy, guys. That's the way how you do it. So let's move on to the next page now. I'll zoom in for you a little bit. So you need to answer the two parts now. The first part in number 4 is write down the ratio 32 by 24 in the simplest form. Try doing that one first. And the next one is 1/9 of people in a class are left-handed. Write the ratio of the left-handed people to the right-handed people. So basically you're doing part A and part B of this one. Try to simplify this. This is so easy. Yes, the first part is Ashad got it right. This is the answer for both of them. We'll still give time for the others to do it before moving it out for you guys. Good. Vivek, when you write down 1 by 9 by 8 by 9, you just take the top ones and that's your answer. So the answer for the first one is, we just need to simplify these two and you get your answer is 4 by 3. And the next one is 1/9 of people are left-handed. 1/9 is left-handed. And what are the ratio are right-handed? We know it's 8 by 9. And then you just need to take the top ones for your answer. That's 1/8. That's your answer. I'll give a second for you all to give me the answer. That's something is wrong here, Muskan. Try doing it again. One answer is right. Your B is right, but your A is not right. Aiden got it right again. Okay, let's move on to the next one now. Again, we have the same type of thing what we did in the previous one, but in this you need to write the ratio 15 to 35 into the simplest form. That's A part. And the B part is there are red shapes and blue shapes in a box. 2/3 of the shapes are red. Write the ratio of red shapes to blue shapes. So simplify the first one and try doing the second one also. Then we'll just go with the answers for that. First one is really easy. Hi, Pankari. So you got the answer for the first one. Josh got the answer for the second one also. Aiden got the answer for the first one. That's good. And Josh has given me the answer for the B part. Pankari, well done. You started doing your work. Hi, Anu. Okay, let's try doing the answers. For the first one, you're just simplifying it, and when you simplify that, your answer is 3 by 7. And the next one is 2, 3 by 1/3. So we just take the top ones. So your answer for this one is 2:1. Well done, everyone. Let's move on to number 6 now. Number 6 now. I'll zoom in for you guys a little bit. Again, in this one, you're simplifying the ratio first, like you did in the previous one. They are saying, what is the ratio of 21 is to 27 in the simplest form? You're just doing that. And the second one is 3/8 of chocolates in a box are white chocolate. The rest are milk chocolate. Write the ratio of white chocolate to milk chocolate. How many of you like chocolates? So this one is for you guys. You like chocolates, that's good. So try doing the answer for this one now. So you should be getting this one right now. So we are just simplifying 81 by 81, the ratio 27. Try doing it by 3 table. You get both of them by 3 table. And then what would you like your answer as? Good, I got the answer again. Well done, everyone. Let me just do this and we'll wait for the others who are still doing it. So we are just going to simplify this, and when we do it, we get 3 is the ratio 1. And the next is 3 are of chocolates. In the boxes are white chocolates. The rest are milk. Write down the ratio of the white chocolates to the red chocolates. So it's 3 by 8 over 5 is to 8. You cannot simplify that more. So this is our answer. 3 is to 5. Well done, everyone. Let's move on to the next one now. I want to see how many of you will be able to do the next one now. Let's do it now. These are quite easy. Let's see if they have some more challenging ones for you guys. In this one, Ashvi, can you please concentrate and do some maths now? And don't worry about what other people think about you. So let's do it. Write the ratio 24 by ratio 72 in the simplest form. Try doing it by the 2's table. And next is, in February, it rained on 3/7 of days. Write the ratio of the days it rained to the number of days it did not rain. Josh and Mathuna has already got the answer for the first one. Josh, try doing the next one again. Three by 4. Who got 3 by 4? That's the right answer. Aaron got it. Good. So let's do it. That's the first one. Okay, Anu, I got it. That's fine. Well done, Oliver. She got it right. Let's do it together now. 24 by 72. We need to just simplify that. First, you will get 3 by 9. But remember, you can simplify that little more and then your answer would be 1:3. And in this, the mistakes you guys were doing is 3/7 and the rest next was 4 by 7. And then your answer, remember, is always the top one, is 3 is the ratio 4. So that's your answer for this one. Let's move on to number 8 now. Let's do number 8 now. Let me see how will you guys do this one now. It's getting harder now. And you all like competitions, so here you go. You need to write down 7.5 is the ratio 2:5 in the form of n is the ratio 1. Josh has got the answer right. All of you got the answer right. Well done, guys. They were just confusing you, nothing else. When you get something like this, don't get confused. This is another way of confusing you guys. You just need to simplify that as you were doing in the previous one, and your answer is, oh, my 3 looks horrible. Let me just do it again. 3:1. So do the next one. You need to write the ratio 12:30 in the form 1 is the ratio n. How would you do that now? No, all of you got confused with this one. Okay, let's do this together. 12 is to 30 in the form of the ratio 1 is to ratio n. We are going to simplify that one first is 6 is to 5, sorry, 15. And then you will have 2 is to ratio 5. But they are telling us n is to ratio n. If you are doing that, then we will do it 1, 2, and 5. Why did we do that? Because the ratio should be in the form 1 is to ratio n. You need to have 1 there. That's it. Did you guys get it? Why did we write 1? Because it's written here in the form 1 is a ratio n. That's the reason. Whatever answer we get, we just need to put 1 in the front. You don't really get it. God, I really don't get this. This is so easy. If you look at, they are saying write the ratio 12 is to 30 in the form 1 ratio n. 1 in the ratio n means that whatever answer you get, you just need to write 1 in the front because you need the answer should be in the ratio 1 is to n. If you just write 2 is to 5, 2 is a ratio of 5, that won't be the same as 1 is to n. 1 ratio n, you need 1 in the front. You need 1 as 1 should be always there in your ratio answer. That's so simple. So let's move on to the next one now. Oh, this 10 is down. Sorry, I'll just do 10 now. Take your time now. It's getting a little complicated. In this, they are saying there are some cubes in a bag. 1/6 of cubes are red. The rest of the cubes are blue. Write the ratio of the number of red cubes to the number of blue cubes. Give the answer in the form 1 is the ratio n. Good, Vivek? That's your answer for this one? Yes, it's right. Omkar, you got it right. This is easy. In this one, we are just doing 1/6 is to 5 is to 6. And we'll just take the top one. 1 is to 5. We need 1. We got 1. And n is anything else. We got that also. So your answer would be 1 is to 1 is the ratio 5. Let's move on to the next one now. Let's move on to number 11 now. I'll zoom in for you guys a little bit. I hope you all can see it now. There are only blue counters, red counters, and yellow counters in a bag. There are twice as many blue counters as yellow counters. There are 3 times as many red counters as yellow counters. So they're just asking you write down the ratio of the blue counters to red counters to yellow counters. So how? There are 15 of them. You're on number 11. Try doing this one now. So you just need to write blue counters, red counters, and yellow counters, and just write down what they are. This is an easy one. Let's see who gives me the right answer for this one. So your answer should have 3 numbers in it. A small hint for you guys is blue counter, red counter, and then it's the other way around. Manish, you got it wrong. Read the question carefully and see how many counters are there. No, that's not the one. Vivek got it right. Rishik got it right. Aiden got it right. So we are just going to do that here. You're just doing it 2, 3 by 1. You just need to read the question really, really carefully when you have it, and you just need to write it down. That's it. Good. Let's move on to the next one. Number 12 now. It's same like you did the previous one. In this, they are asking you there are only green pens, black pens, and red pens in a box. There are 4 times as many blue pens as black pens. There are twice as many red pens as green pens. Write down the ratio of green pens to black pens to red pens. Remember, your answer should have green pens, blue pens, red pens. Your answer should have green pens to blue pens into red pens, and read what they're asking you and try doing your answer. Manisha, I told you there are 15 questions. You're on number 12. You need to finish all 15. Green, black, red. So you need to find the ratio of these 3. All of you are giving me the ratio of 2, not the 3. Pankari, you got it right, but try putting 4 in the front. And then your answer would be fine. Because remember, they are saying there are 4 times as many green pens. They are giving you something. Aiden got it right. Aiden, the next one was right. Because they have told you, you need to read it really carefully what they're asking you. They're telling you there are 4 times as many green pens. So you know that green pens are 4 as black pens. So black pen is only 1. And they are saying there are twice as many as red pens. So if the green pens are 4, how many would be the red pens then? There will be 8. Good. Now all of you are getting it. So I've got the answer now. 4 by 1 and 8. Not 9, 8. Let's move on to the next one now if you guys are ready. Miss 8. 8 because see what they are saying, that they are telling you that there are twice as many red pens as green pens. There are twice as many. If your green pens are 4, your red pens would be double of 4. That's 8. I hope you got that now. I know someone just wrote they didn't understand, so trying to explain you guys again. Let's do the next one now. Number 13. Try doing number 13 now. It's the same way like you did the previous one. In this, they are saying the names. Charlotte, Joe, and Mike played a game. Charlotte, C, I'll say her C. C scored 4 times as many points as J. M scored half of many points as C. Write down the ratio of C points to J point. So you are you're finding the points of C, J, and M. Same way like you did the previous one. Try reading it and try filling this up now. Josh got it right. Well done, Josh. And Saguna, yeah, you got it right. Aiden got it right. Ashmi got it right. Hulong got it right. Good. We did as we did the previous one. We just wrote 1, and 2. 2 more left now. We are on the 14 now. And then we have, there's 16. So we got 3 more left before we are done. So let's do the next one now. It's easy. So we can finish them on time. Let's see how many of you can do the next one. It's getting hard a little bit. Let's do it now. I want to see how many of you can do this. I'll give you guys 2 minutes to do it, and then I'll just write down the answer. There are 120 people in a school canteen. Half of the people in the canteen are in year 11 students. The number of year 11 students in the canteen is 3 times the number of year 10 students. The rest of the people in the canteen are year 6 students. The number of year 9 students versus a ratio of the number of year 10 students equals to n is the ratio 1. Work out the value of n and show your working out. Good, I got the answer. Again, we will just write down as much information is given to us. We know that there are 120 people in the canteen written, and then we minus it by 60, and then minus it by 20, we get 40. And that's for the year 9. That's year 9 students. And then you just need to simplify 40 is to 20, 0 to 0 cancel, simplify more, your answer is 2 is to 1. And when you write it down, your answer, because they're asking you what is n, you won't write 1, you will just write 2. That's your answer. So that's your answer. Let's move on to number 15 now. Well done, everyone. The one who are concentrating, I can see there are a lot of arguments going on today. Please, guys, try to concentrate a little bit, because you just have 2 weeks left for your live sessions, and you'll be starting your school, so we won't be able to do so much of live sessions. So we should be concentrating and just doing them the way we are doing. Two more left, then we are done for today. So let's do it now. In a bag, there are blue sweets, red sweets, yellow sweets. The number of red sweets is 3 times the number of blue sweets. The number of yellow sweets is half the number of red sweets. Write down the ratio of blue sweets to red sweets to yellow sweets. Give the answer in the form A is to B is to C, where A, B, and C are whole numbers. Let me see. Pankri, try doing it. Your answer is right, but the way you wrote it is wrong. You need to have blue versus red versus yellow. So it should be in the ratio like this. I'm giving you guys a hint. Is blue is to red is to yellow. Your answer should be in this format. Good. Yes, Pankri got it right now. So we know, we'll just collect all the information what we know. It's 2, 6, and 3. So your answer would be 2, 6 is the ratio 3. Let's wait for everyone to do it, then we can move on to the next one. Your school is not now, you have 2 weeks left for your schools to start. Then we can have these live sessions when you guys are back from school in the evening. So let's do the last one for today and let's see how many of you can do it. That's the challenge one from me. Let's move to the last one. Number 16 is the last one for today. All of you should be perfect in ratios now. The last one is for you guys is in a bag there are blue sweets, red sweets, yellow sweets. The number of blue sweets is 4 times the number of yellow sweets. The number of red sweets is half the number of yellow sweets. Find the percentage of sweets in the bag that are yellow. So you need to find the percentage of sweets in the bag that are yellow. Again, you will go in the ratio. You will find the ratio blue versus red versus yellow. So we are just finding it like this. Blue, red, and yellow. So try finding that now. Let's do it now. Guys, please concentrate. That's the last one. Yeah, it's 18%. See, the person who agreed, I disliked. Here he is. He likes disliking my videos every time. I don't know why. I know you're joking. So you have in this, the last one is 4 is to 0.5, the ones who don't know. And then it's 1. And after that, you know the yellow is 2 by 11. You just need to multiply it by 100. And when you do it, you will get 200 by 11. And when you simplify that more, your answer would be 18.18%, but we will write it down as 18%. That would be your answer. If people fight with you, doesn't mean that you dislike the video. I didn't do anything wrong with you guys, did I? So that's the answer now. I'll stop sharing the screen now with you guys. Done now? Oh, which one you didn't understand? We are just doing blue versus red versus yellow. You just need to read it down. It's given here. The number of blue sweets is 4 times. The number of yellow sweets, 4. The number of red sweets is half the number of yellow sweets. You need to find the half of that. That's 0.5. And yellow sweets, it's 1. And then we just wrote 2 by 11 multiplied by 100 is 200 by 11. And then you just do it and you get 18%. I hope you get it now. I'll stop sharing the screen again. This was easy. That's good. So remember that you have your non-verbal challenge tomorrow. Try doing it for me and let me know on Wednesday when I come for the creative writing class how much you guys got in the challenge. And we'll have the creative writing class on a Wednesday from this week. You got it now? Well done, everyone. And I'll see you guys back on Wednesday with me. But remember, when will we do shuffle sentences, jumble? We'll do it next week, but you can still look at the videos. We have done a lot of videos with shuffle sentences and jumble sentences. Just try having a look at the channel and you'll find a lot of videos for every topic you guys are struggling in. And there's any other topic you think we should cover for next week, please let us know, because you have only a month and some left for your entrances. We can cover the topics for you guys. And don't forget to try to do the non-verbal challenge on Tuesday and the verbal reasoning challenge on a Thursday. So you have a lot of challenges coming up. Try doing them for me and try writing down the marks you guys get in all of them. So I'll see you guys back on Wednesday, but don't forget to do your challenges tomorrow. Bye everyone. Have a lovely